Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So this is like a very random video. I just got home from work, right? And there's this big old box. Well, let me just see if that works. There's this big old box here, and out of breath. It's an order that my husband made. It's this company called Freshly. So since I'm not familiar with this company, I thought I would just do an unboxing. So that's what we're going to do today. And then maybe if anyone's interested, I can go ahead and do a review as well. So that's what this video is all about. If you are new here, hello, I am Martinique. Welcome to my channel. Go ahead and press that subscribe button so that you can be part of the family. And don't forget that notification bell so you can be notified of the next time that I do upload. So we're just gonna get right into this. I'm gonna show you the box. So this is the box. As you can see, it says Freshly Life Ready Meals in Minutes. And I got about a box cutter like ready. So we're just gonna go ahead and open that. Okay, so now that our address is not showing, I'm gonna pull this out, and this says, let me see, are you gonna focus? No. There we are. So he ordered 12 meals. See, it says 12 meals for Byron. He did this. It says refrigerate upon arrival, and these are just entrees. So we got carb swap, cauli sausage baked with Parmesan cheese, cauliflower shell beef bolognese with nana sofrito and Italian cheeses, hearty chipotle chicken stew with black beans and Monterey Jack, Philly-ish cheese steak with masterful mash and butternut spiked sauce, chicken tikka masala with 7 spice vegetable, is it Byrony? I don't even know. And then sausage and cauliflower shells with broccoli pesto. All right. This is just, I guess, to keep everything fresh. It says earth friendly inside and out. Reuse meat, store in refrigerator. Oh, so this is the ice pack, as you can see, right? And then tucked in here nice. Oh, this is like mad professional. Are all of the meals. So this is the hearty chipotle chicken stew with the black beans and Monterey Jack. And there's 2 of these because there's 2 of us. Then next I have the, let me see, the chicken tikka masala with 7 spice vegetable with that word I can't pronounce. And again, 2 of these. Next up, we have, this is the carb swap cauli and sausage casserole with Parmesan cheese. It looks like there's only 1 of these. I wonder, he may have gotten this for me just because I try to be low carb as much as possible. And that's just, okay, so I am all about low carb, especially since I did the keto diet for like 3 months and lost so many pounds. So if you're curious about my journey with that, I'm going to leave a link to the video where I talk about the keto diet, what it did for me, how much weight I lost, you know, just a video where I go more in depth about my journey. And yeah, you'll understand why I just like to keep everything as low carb as possible. So this one in particular may be for me, unless there's another one in here. But yeah, I just wanted to give that short explanation. So then we have another cauliflower shell. Oh no, this is different too. So cauliflower shell beef bolognese. Again, I'm not really sure because they're like 2 different ones. I'll find out when he comes home. Then another ice pack. Oh no, there's another one. So the carb swap again. And then the cauliflower shell beef bolognese. And then 2 Philly-ish, I love that, Philly-ish cheesesteak with masterful mash and butternut spiked sauce. So there's 2 of these in here. I'm guessing 1 for me, 1 for him, maybe. I don't even know. Last but not least, sausage and cauliflower shells with broccoli pesto. Okay. just gonna go ahead and put these all together because I really don't know what he was thinking. Oops. Not sure what he was thinking as far as splitting it up between all of us. If there's like one that he wanted in particular or what. And that is all that's in the box. So I have 3 of these freezer packs that you can use. And yeah, that's it. So
you go ahead and start speaking in reverse.
What you mean?
It makes no sense. It makes perfect sense. It's $1,000 phone. It makes perfect sense.
Anyhow, my husband just got home. So what I was saying earlier was I didn't know if, you know, if there was any particular ones that he wanted. No, there's one of each for all of us. So, all of us. The both of us. So, I'm going to go over carbs and all that real quick just in case you want to know. The hearty chipotle chicken stew.
Pause.
Well, I can edit it out. You just want to take a picture?
Slow down when you talk.
What?
I think you have great content for his videos, but I think you need to slow down when you talk and talk like a regular person. So
they can get to know me?
Yeah.
That went over your head. You didn't catch it? Slow down. I just want to get to know you. It's not my fault. That's how I talk. Okay. Hearty chipotle chicken stew with black beans and Monterey Jack. Is that too fast?
Yeah.
That's literally how I talk. What you want me to do?
People even watch you if they can't understand you.
Hearty chipotle chicken stew with black beans and Monterey whatever Jack. Anyhow. So this says warming heat. Veggie full. Real food, real flavors, really fast. Okay. And this says Southwestern inspired and satisfyingly chunky. Our chipotle spike stew is a nourishing answer to stomach rumblings no matter the hour. This one says to microwave. You gotta remove the sleeve, but not all the way. You gotta peel the corners so it can vent. And you microwave for 3 minutes and let it sit for 2 minutes. So it's like any other, you know, meal that you heat up. Oh, this is gluten-free. There's 27 carbs and 480 calories in this whole meal. Next one is the chicken tikka masala with 7 spice vegetable birani. I don't know what that says. It says simmered, spiced, and sauced. Get your spoon ready for our creamy yet virtuous masala sauce, slow stirred with Greek yogurt. Ooh. I don't know how you're gonna like that. This has 540 calories and 44 carbs. The Philly-ish cheesesteak with masterful mash and butternut spiked squash. This says peppers, onion steak. Oh my, inspired by the be-all and end-all of cheesesteaks. Our chefs work their magic to infuse our sauce with sneaky butternut and whip up a creamy, carb-smart cauli and potato mash. That's what I like to hear. 490 calories and 23 carbs. Cauliflower shell beef bolognese with nanas. I'm guessing that's a person. Sofrito. Bolognese. Okay. Cauliflower shell beef bolognese with nanas sofrito and Italian cheeses. It's like bolognese, but better. We leveled up. Hey, level up. Level up. You're not laughing. We leveled up pasta night with gluten and grain-free cauli pasta and our masterful marinara made with 5 sneaky veggies. This has 490 calories and 48 carbs. What's next? Carb swap cauli and sausage casserole with Parmesan cheese. It says, don't sweat it. The dish has all the comfort of a cozy sausage casserole with a carb clever twist. And who's to thank? Your guts BFF, golden florets of fiberful roasted cauli. This has 470 calories and 24 carbs. Last but not least is the sausage and cauliflower shells with broccoli pesto. Pasta meets cauli. Our wheat-free cauliflower pasta shells combined with hearty broccoli and grape tomatoes help us pack over 1 full cup of vibrant veg into this cozy dish. This has 560 calories and then 44 grams of carbs. That's all 12. You said you're getting how many next time?
Well, we gotta see if we like those first.
Well, I guess we'll keep you guys posted on how we feel about these. I will say off the back, I like the packaging. I'm a sucker for packaging. This just looks like we just picked them out in the grocery store. You know, those frozen meals. But I don't know if these are frozen or these are just... They don't really look frozen. They just look... Like, for instance, this is the sausage and cauliflower shells.
I probably cooked them yesterday.
Well, that's nice to know. And, yeah, I like the look of them. And it looks like, as far as the portion size, it's not too much, which somebody needs, because Lord knows sometimes we'll just overeat. Let me see. Even this one. So it's a good portion, I think. And, yeah, we'll just keep y'all posted on how we like them. If we continue to buy them, let me know if you all are interested in seeing what meals we get. And there you have it. A very quick, out of nowhere video. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure you thumb it up. Subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, I will see you guys later. You want to say bye to the people?
No.
Oh, okay. Bye.